Hi guys, my name is Sanjay. Welcome to Sanjay Arts. So in this video I'm telling you how to draw Spider-Man by using grid method by using drawing grid app. Open that file and open that app and open the file or photo which you want to draw. So next you have to choose the square, this option there. Then you have to click on that horizontal lines. So now you select the number of grids which you wanted to apply for the photo. I select 14. You have to mark the 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter across the all side of the paper, so you can see this in this video. So I'm using 2B pencil, so with scale I'm marking across all sides of the papers, so that you have to mark by counting that grid, how much grids are there. Those grids are important while you're drawing. So I have to mark and line and make it grid, so you can easily do that. So now I am using a 0.5 HP pencil, so I have to be patient by while drawing. To slowly you have to start, so I just speed up little bit so we can do shorter video like that. You have to draw slowly, otherwise little bit things were clumsy, so drawing which not come accurately. So for that accuracy we are using this method. There are so much of methods for drawing, so I'm using grid method so we can easily draw accurately. Otherwise other methods are a little bit clumsy, you have to practice so much of times, otherwise can't draw easily. So freehand drawing also we can draw, but this method is very easy to draw. Initial stages which are not too much, it's not took so much time. You have to draw slowly, as you can see this in this video. You have to draw slowly, as you can see this in this video. You have to draw slowly, as you can see this in this video. After you drew that Spider-Man drawing, so I have to erase the grid things which are not required to draw. So then you can apply the color pencil for drawing. So otherwise a little bit clumsy drawing will not so this is the final drawing. You can see this in this video. So if you are like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and please share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching.